Hello. Okay, so we're doing another cooking video and it happens to be on Easter, which is perfect. So I didn't have a hard time figuring out an outfit for today's video. And yes, it has again something to do with my shoes. My shoes are bunnies. Look at my Easter shoes. They have ears and tails. Okay, first off, the energy in this video is going to be way different than usual because normally I film my cooking videos in the evening, which means I've had breakfast, I've had lunch, I've had enough liquids, I'm functional. Today is different because I'm filming it in well, it was supposed to be in the morning and then lots of things happened in our house and now it is 2. So I am very hungry and all I've had is coffee and yogurt and vitamins. So we're gonna get to cooking. Now, per my last cooking video, I hinted that since it came with 2 pie crusts, that I'm gonna be doing something else with a pie crust that isn't a pie. If you have already read the title, you know. We're making a quiche. How perfect is that? I didn't really plan this to go on Easter, but it's perfect for Easter, honestly, because like eggs, quiche, Easter, brunch. And if you don't celebrate Easter, everybody likes brunch. Again, I found this quiche recipe on Pillsbury.com. I'll link the recipe that I did a spin-off of in the thingy down below. Yeah, the energy is way different in this video than usual. I'm very hungry, so I'm like, quiche. I'm not doing it exactly like that. 1, we're using egg whites instead of eggs. 2, I don't have the frozen vegetables they said, so I put together my own vegetables, about 2 cups. But we're using mushrooms, spinach, and red pepper. But yeah, everything else, oh, and we have almond milk instead of regular milk. But everything else is basically the same. I am preheating the oven because the first step that we have to do is put the pie crust, come over here pie crust, say hello. Did it say hello? Don't be shy. We have to put the pie crust in the oven and get it like crispy kind of, or start cooking it. But that's why the oven is preheating. We'll throw that in there, 5 to 7 minutes. So I think while that's preheating and we're waiting to throw that in, we will start with some of the ingredient making. So I have my spatula as always. We're gonna set that down and we're gonna start with our first things that must be mixed in. In a large bowl, we are gonna combine 1.5 cups of shredded cheese, the 2 tablespoons of flour, and all of the vegetables. We're gonna go ahead and get started on that first. Here is my 1.5 cups of cheese. Look at that, isn't that organized? So cute. 1.5 cups. Cheese! These shoes are really squeaky. Okay, next, 2 tablespoons of flour. Was that a whoa? Did I accidentally whoa just now? I haven't been on TikTok too much. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. I feel like I should mix that stuff up before I throw the vegetables in. There, and we're done with our good old teddy bear. They seem to make a cameo in every cooking video. I feel like even the ones where I don't need it, I should have it there. Like, this is our cooking video mascot. We need to name them. Oh my gosh, we need to name them. There she goes. There goes the oven. Okay, she's doing her thing now. She made the Okay, I'm just gonna stir the cheese and the flour, combine them, just because I don't want it all like clumpy and weird. Wouldn't it be clumpy and weird? Now I'm gonna add my vegetables, throwing in those. And then, as always, mushrooms. So this is how much spinach I'm putting in. I have no idea if this is too much spinach. Now I'm going to stir all of these together. Spinach is staying kind of clumpy all together. So I'm trying to like chop it apart in separate pieces. Spinach, I want you in this quiche, but I knew you were going to be a problem child. I didn't know you were going to be this much of a problem child. We need to go to family therapy, me and the spinach. We need to work on our communication skills. There we go. Now it's starting to look well combined. I think this quiche is going to be really good. Honestly, you could give me a French fry that's been sitting on the sidewalk for 5 days right now and I'd be like, wow, this is great. What's your secret? Okay, I think that's well combined. I'm never always sure. Okay. Perfect timing. Okay, we can throw the pie crust in the oven for 5 minutes. Usually I bake when I'm actually making the food, I've always set it on an additional tray in case it just boils over and makes a horrible mess, because that's happened and it was very hard to clean the oven. So I'm not gonna do it for now. I'm just gonna actually set this aside and use it to set this on when it's all hot. And I'm gonna throw this in for 5 minutes and I'm not going to burn myself. And for 5 minutes, I'm just gonna sit and breathe.
12 seconds later.
Okay, it went ding, ding, ding. It is time. We're gonna pull it out of the oven, and it did the thing that they warned me it would do, which is get all poofy in the center. And then I have to reduce the oven heat to 375. 375. Oh, it went down immediately. I missed it. And actually it looks and smells amazing. So now what we do is we take these ingredients that we just combined and we put them in here. It's very complicated, very difficult. Why am I already making a mess? I can't wait to eat this. I think it's gonna be really good. You can't touch the pie tin. Don't touch the pie tin. You can't touch the pie tin. Don't touch the pie tin. It just came out of the oven. You can't touch it. Don't touch the pie tin. Put your arm up behind your back. There you go. I'm trying to spread it out evenly, but it's kind of chunky. Look at her. Don't touch it. I almost touched it. Okay, so she looks fabulous, and we're gonna set her over there, and we're gonna take our bowl again. We're gonna mix our other things. So basically, we're just mixing all the other ingredients. So I have the cup of egg whites, and then we have our almond milk. I'm very nervous. Like, I hope the almond milk works in replacement of the regular milk. Now we have all our seasonings. I'm actually gonna sprinkle this on top. It's more for decoration. We're gonna need, what do we need? We need a fourth a teaspoon of salt. We got there, brain got there. Now I'm gonna do the same amount of pepper. It says to use an eighth, but I love pepper. We love pepper in this house, so I'm doing a whole fourth. And then I'm gonna use garlic powder, just like I use in absolutely every recipe I do, because we love garlic in this house.
Garlic in this house. We love garlic in this house.
That's old. That was old the moment I did that joke for the first time. It's always been old. Oh my gosh, the pepper's so strong. I'm not gonna sneeze. I'm not gonna sneeze. I'm not gonna sneeze. I'm not gonna sneeze. Now we're gonna combine all of that, stir it around. There's pepper getting stuck to it. I don't know what to do. Okay, it is time to pour this in here. I'm nervous. You can see it on my face. I know you can. I'm pouring this in here. And are we making a mess? Oh, that's nerve-wracking. That feels overflowed. That doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel right. I don't know what to do. This is the first time we've had like an actual crisis. I thought they said how. I even used less of the other ingredients. I'm nervous. Well, I think I'm gonna have to very, very carefully put this in the oven. It just feels like a lot. What the heck. I'm done being nervous. It's gonna be good. It might overflow, but that's why we put it on the other thing. And I'm decorating it with the Italian seasoning. Comment down below all of your favorite seasonings, because I'm looking to increase my my spice rack. I love spices. I love experimenting with them. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to focus on getting this into the oven without spilling it. Okay, I can do this. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Oh, it's gonna be okay. And it's not okay. It's not okay. It's not okay at all. It's not okay at all. Make it stop. Make it stop. Not okay. I am struggling. Can you tell? Okay, let's try that again. We did it. Okay, I'm setting the timer for 35 minutes. So, if my calculations are correct, the liquid amount is too much. Now I don't know what to do with this egg. I guess I could cook it, see how it turns out. Definitely gonna have to reduce this. This looks like it's probably a quarter, half a cup worth, I mean. So I'll probably reduce all of the liquids to 3/4. So like instead of a cup of egg, I'll probably reduce it to 3/4 cup. Instead of a cup of milk, I'll probably reduce it to 3/4 cup. But it's all in there. I'm gonna start cooking. I'm very excited. And while we wait, I'm going to cook up whatever this is in here and eat it because I'm hungry. Desperate times, my dudes. Okay, I will see you in about half an hour for some quiche.
Later.
It's done, it's done, it's done. It went ding, ding, ding. So, oh, wait. That means it's done. It is puffy in the center. I did it for the whole 45 minutes because it just, at 30, it was just looking not cooked yet, but now it looks so good. Wow. Look at her. The crust is all goldeny brown. It rose. Now we're gonna let it cool for 10 minutes and I will see you when we can cut into this and test it. I'm so excited. So excited. Oh, I got dizzy from that. I just noticed the framing was bad and I need to scoot her down. There, now you can see her. See the weird thing it did? See that? That's weird, dude. Okay, now we will leave her. Now we will leave her.
A few moments later.
Let's finish what we started, my dudes.
Okay, it's been cooling for 10 minutes and I'm too impatient to wait any longer. We're gonna chop her up. As you can tell, I'm very talented when it comes to cutting things. Oh wow, this is so weird. I'm sorry, I had to peel it off. She's not the most photogenic slice, but she's still quite beautiful. Look at her. Look at her. Oh my gosh, she smells amazing. It is time for the taste test. Ooh, it's so cheesy, you guys. Ooh, it's so good. I made quiche. Make this. Make it. It's so good. Wow, this is so good. This might be one of the best things I've made. This turned out like perfect. It's so good, you guys. Wow. I'm a chef, y'all. I feel like I'm gonna have to throw like a brunch party at some point now that I can cook all of these things. I'm like a whole spread. Okay, I need another bite. I need another bite. I'm sorry, I can't wait. We gotta close this video so I can inhale the rest of this and my next slice because this is so bomb. I totally did it, y'all. Okay, what do I say at the end of the videos? I don't remember. Like this because it turned out really good. It's really, really good. And comment down below different things to put in quiches. I want to try to put everything in a quiche now. I want to try it all. And if you make this quiche, post it on Instagram and tag me at Pauline Does Things and I will shower you in emojis. Also, I make minute daily vlogs on TikTok at Pauline Makes TikToks. Follow that if you want to see those. Anything else? Oh, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe if you want to see more videos. I do crafting and cooking and other things when I feel like it. That's about it. That's the video. We did it, you guys. I made a quiche. We had some bumpiness along this road. It was, you know, it's about the journey. It's about the destination, not the journey when it comes to cooking. We got here and it was worth it. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go inhale this. Okay, bye. I got get some of that crust. Oh my goodness. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. Ooh. Bye.